Hello there, congratulations on purchasing the Cypherock X1. In today's video, we will be unboxing the add-on accessory for the Cypherock X1, the Hardcase, which can be purchased from the website cypherock.com. The hard case, which you can purchase from our website, costs $59. You get dedicated trays for your X1 Vault and X1 cards. You can keep your other hardware wallets safe as well in the dedicated pockets which we provide in the hard case. This is not just any hard case, it functions as a Faraday cage and blocks any external electromagnetic radiation. The case has built-in aluminium layer which provides security to the electronic devices from external unwanted signals. EVA foam material, PU carbon fiber texture on the exterior. Net pockets are given inside to place accessories in it, and fabric looped on the exterior for holding. Shock and impact resistance, it is dust and water splash proof. It comes with a black zipper which gives it a premium look. So that was the unboxing of the hard case, which is an add-on accessory that can be purchased from the link in the description and our website cypherock.com.